Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 165 and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. First thing we need to do is to open the menu on our watch, and you can open the menu by pressing and holding the up button. Once the menu opens, you can scroll through it by swiping up and down on the screen or by using the up and down buttons. So scroll through the menu and find the option called the system. Once you find it, you can tap on it to enter or press the start button to enter. And in the system menu, you should see the language option. Select it by tapping on it or by pressing the start button. This will bring you to the list of languages you can scroll through by swiping on the screen. Find the language you would like to use on your watch, and once you find it, tap on it or press the start button to select it and apply it. And after a couple of seconds, the language should be applied, as you can see. And that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.